Okay, so hi guys, this is Kinner here, and today we are back again with another live chat session, which we are going to do with your favorite Karan Jotwani. You have seen him in many shows. Suhani सी एक लड़की आप क्या जाने से currently he's doing a Z TV का show. So yeah, we are very excited to have him here, and we hope कि आज जो भी questions हमें उनके बारे में मैसेज कर रहे हैं या पूछेंगे लाइव चैट के दौरान, जो ऑलरेडी आपने बहुत भेज दिए हैं, हम सब कुछ उनसे आंसर करवा पाए, एंड आई थिंक ही विल बी जस्ट सेंडिंग अस रिक्वेस्ट. लेट मी चेक, अभी तक तो नहीं भेजा, बट या सो टिल देन दैट टाइम पोर इन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस जो आपको करण से पूछना है. बहुत सारे क्रियम फैंस ने ऑलरेडी हमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे, विच प्रूव्स दैट कि आज भी लोग करण एंड सृष्टि के ऑन स्क्रीन पेयरिंग को बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करते हैं. उनका फैंडम अब तक है. सो आई एम जस्ट सीइंग, I don't think he has still sent us the request. He'll be sending soon. Also, do ask questions about, because he talks a lot about the issues, be it mental health. Yeah. Okay, we are waiting for Karan Jotwani to join. I think, yeah. Okay, he has joined. Hi, Karan. How are you?
Hi, how are you guys doing? What's up?
Really good, and thank you so much for doing this live
नो
chat
है
session.
यार
Okay,
हम लोग लाइफ में कर रहे हैं क्या, लाइव भी तो आना है।
okay,
और
so
कुछ
it's
लाइफ
very
में रखा
down.
ही नहीं है।
Yeah, but not a lot of celebrity be so modest जो आप अभी हो रहे हैं. So thank you so much, first of all. And
नो
tell
मेंशन।
me,
या
what are you doing basically? किस तरह से अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं ये क्वारंटाइन में? हम इंस्टाग्राम पर तो देख ही रहे हैं, आप कुछ ना कुछ कॉज के बारे में हमेशा वोकल रहते हैं, बट एक्चुअल
या
में क्या कर रहे हैं?
एक्चुअल में अगर देखने जाओ तो सच बताऊं तो दिस इज नॉट द ऑफ दैट वी ऑल वांटेड। मतलब ऐसा ब्रेक किसी को नहीं चाहिए था, टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज।
जी.
सो इट्स मोर लाइक यू आर टू डिस्कवर न्यू थिंग्स टू डू, यू नो। यू हैव टू फिगर अ वे आउट के हम अब नया क्या करें अपने आप को एंटरटेन करने के लिए और साथ में फैंस को, क्योंकि हमारे
जी.
पास तो कोई शो नहीं है फिलहाल जो हम लोगों को दिखा सकते हैं। हमारे पास कोई टेलीकास्ट नहीं है, कुछ कंटेंट नहीं है, तो घर से कुछ बना के दिखाना पड़ता है।
जी.
हालांकि मेरे को वो सब इतना जमता नहीं है। I'm more of an isolated private person, so I've
राइट.
just been watching a few series in Netflix and Hotstar and Z5, and at the same time I've been trying to work on my sleep, to be very honest to you,
ओके.
and spending time with the dogs in the building in the evening. 2-3 घंटा मैं नीचे बैठता हूँ शाम में, कोशिश
जी.
वही रहती है। और उसके साथ साथ सम टाइम विद फैमिली एंड दिन निकल जाते हैं यार। ये इनफैक्ट
राइट.
ये ऐसे दिन है जो बहुत लंबे लग रहे हैं, पता है।
जी, जी, जी. But also the fact that ZPay, I mean your show was recently launched, and बहुत ज्यादा उसे अप्रिसिएशन मिला था. लोगों ने बस स्टार्ट ही किया था उस शो को समझना, एंड आई थिंक ये लॉकडाउन हो गया. सो डज दिस pisses you off as an actor because शो पीछे?
Your network's kind of breaking. Yeah, it's better. Can I get your question again? I'm so sorry, Canary.
Yeah, I'm saying your show on ZTV was recently launched, and लोगों ने बस अभी से देखना समझना शुरू ही किया था, and lockdown के वजह से it is all quite a messed up, and
Hmm.
it's a bit difficult for a new show. So as an actor, does this thing pisses you off?
But then again, what gives me, I think the only thing I can think about is it's not just me, it's everybody else.
Right,
And
right, right.
it's not just my profession. It's not just the actor's profession. It's the profession of so many out there. There are people who are way more helpless, who've lost jobs. To be very honest, to at least I know for a fact that I can come back to a show. Thank God for that. And मतलब मेरे को ऑनेस्टली नहीं पता कि इसके बाद सिचुएशन क्या होने वाली है, पता है। मतलब लोग किस किस प्रकार से काम ढूंढने की कोशिश करेंगे, where will they where will they apply, whether I was in fact reading an article yesterday कि अभी अगर शूटिंग भी शुरू होती है तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत लिमिटेड लोगों के साथ शुरू होगी।
Right, right, right,
ज्यादा लोग
right.
सेट पे नहीं रहेंगे, मुश्किल से जो चीफ चीफ कंपोनेंट्स है शूटिंग, जिनकी प्राइम आवश्यकता है, सिर्फ उनके साथ ही शूटिंग की जाएगी। तो मेरे को पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, बट देन अगेन I can choose to be annoyed and pissed off, but I'm not
Right.
because I think it's a waiting game. We all have to just wait for this madness to pass, and I think the most important thing right now is to value life and be grateful कि मौका तो मिल रहा है लाइव भी आने का और
Hmm.
लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करने का. लोगों के पास
Right.
काम नहीं है बाहर यार. I mean that's crazy.
Right, right. So, but how, people are getting stressful, as you mentioned, कि अब jobs का क्या होगा, shoots का क्या होगा, nobody
Correct,
has any
correct.
idea. So when this thing, occurs in your mind, how do you help yourself to be positive and just keep calm and be in the moment?
You just tell yourself firstly that it's a phase because there are phases. Just like you go through phases in your personal life, this is something
Hmm.
that's worldwide and everyone's involved.
Hmm.
I can be grateful thinking that we are not that worse as the other countries are.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, we're in a little better of a situation right now in India at least. I know the
Right.
cases are rising in Bombay, but you got to keep your head still. Yeah, you can't lose your sanity. कुछ भी करो यार मतलब लिख लो ड्राइंग कर लो या लोगों से बात करो कैच अप विद पीपल यू डिडंट कैच अप लूडो खेलो उनो खेलो चेस खेलो स्क्रैबल खेलो कुछ करो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम आई मीन इन ह्यूमन कांटेक्ट कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे नीचे फील्डिंग में क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकते फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकते कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो इट्स आई थिंक इट इज इन फैक्ट द
Hmm. Oh. Hmm.
most challenging time for everybody but
Hmm.
you just have to keep your head stable and keep going every day and wait for time to pass because सब तो वक्त के हाथ में है.
Ji, ji. Okay, Karan, the first question I wanted to ask you
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
is that I've gone through your Instagram account, and you are a traveler. We all know that you love to travel.
Oh,
You write, yeah.
I wish right now is the best time to travel because the roads are also empty.
Right, right. You write so well. You are an actor. So tell me, you have all this, creativity thing, जहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ creative करने को. Then why did you choose acting as a career? And when was that moment when you decided that, chalo, I'm going to make my career in acting?
Honestly, if you still ask me till date whether I want to pursue this as a career all my life, I'm not sure about it.
Hmm.
I don't know. I mean, before this, I was working with a digital marketing agency. उसके पहले I
Hmm.
was writing as an intern in a publication house. उसके पहले I was working as an intern in an advertising agency. तो मैंने काफी थोड़े प्रोफेशंस बदले हैं लेकिन मीडिया के अराउंड ही है सब आसपास.
Right,
तो
right.
मैं जैसा हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा एक्सप्रेसिव हूँ. मुझे लिखना पसंद है तो मुझे
Hmm.
जेन्युइनली ऐसा लगा कि let me try out the visual form of expression which is acting. You know,
Hmm.
लिखना मुझे पसंद है वो मैं एज अ प्रोफेशन अभी नहीं करना चाहता बिकॉज उसको भी उतना ही टाइम देना पड़ेगा. So I
Hmm.
think
Hmm.
I thought let me just try out the visual form of expression which is acting and I mean by God's grace and by the hard work that I put in it's worked for me and I didn't honestly मैं और मेरी माँ भी अभी भी डिस्कस करते हैं कि मैं कैसे पहुंचा हूँ यहाँ तक लेकिन मुझे
Ji.
याद है मेरे दिन में रोज ऑडिशंस पे जाता था रिजेक्ट होता था एक्सेप्ट होता था लेकिन आई डिडंट लेट इट गेट टू मी एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट डूइंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन until things worked out. I didn't give up.
Okay, tell me the meanest thing because we all know that especially in this field, you can come across with a lot of meanest thing in your struggling days. So tell me the meanest thing which someone has said to you and which kind of broke down you.
Honestly speaking, I never really term this as a struggle. I think it's an
Hmm.
effort. A struggle is when you haven't grown. You know, a struggle is when
Yeah.
you're just there. So I
Hmm.
think it's the effort that I put in every day and yeah I mean casting auditions पे तो कभी कभार लोग बोलते हैं they used to call me dark
Hmm.
and all because उनके कभी कभार criteria होता है इंडस्ट्री में कि you want fair good looking handsome boys and I know I'm not
Hmm.
the conventional good looking boy I'm a little unconventional when it comes to that and
Hmm.
तो मुझे कभी कभार ये सब चीजें अफेक्ट करती थी बट लेकिन मैंने अपना को सिर्फ ये बोला कि
Hmm.
मेरे अंदर मैं अपने आप को अब मोटिवेट सिर्फ एक ये बात से करता हूँ कि आई नो दैट आई एम अ गुड परफॉर्मर
Hmm.
यू
Hmm.
नो सो एंड आई ऑलवेज सेड दिस परफॉर्मेंस ओवर लुक्स
Hmm.
ऑलवेज
Hmm.
अगर तुम सबसे अच्छे दिखने वाले एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस हो लेकिन अगर तुम परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते तो क्या फायदा.
Ji. Hmm.
तुम जिम में पूरा दिन बिताओ मतलब 2-3 घंटे बिताओ लेकिन ऑडिशन के 30 सेकंड वो कैमरा के 30 सेकंड पे, वो 30 सेकंड के कैमरा को फेस करने के वक्त में अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते जो आपको करना चाहिए, तो क्या फायदा?
हम्म, जी जी जी।
So I rather work on that part of the craft than be worried about the way I look and all of that. मैं पता नहीं
राइट
यार,
राइट।
मैं कचरा खाता हूँ, मैं सब करता हूँ, जंक खाता हूँ, मैं धूप में घूमता हूँ, मेरे को ये सब नहीं जमता। आई डोंट, मेरे को फेम, गुड लुक्स, इन सब चीजों से कोई लगाव नहीं है, मेरे को।
Right. Okay. जैसे आपने performance की बात की है, तो I have also come across an article when you mentioned that while doing आप क्या जाने से, there was a phase, while portraying your character, you actually slipped into, depression because उस वक्त आपका character जिस चीज से जा रहा था, I think it was आप क्या जाने से only. Correct me if I'm wrong. So
Yeah.
tell me now, how do you switch on and switch off? Because you said that you were not able to switch off from the character घर पे जाने के बाद भी. So now is how the situation, जब जो आपका recent show है उसमें भी जब emotional scene आते हैं, so now are you okay to switch on and switch off from the character?
I think that is something that you learn with time, yeah. And I won't lie to you, मैंने अभी तक वो सीखा नहीं है ठीक से, how to switch off and switch on.
Okay.
I think मेरे अंदर I want to learn how to do that because TV एक ऐसा मीडियम है हमारा कि हमें रोज जाके सीन्स करने पड़ते हैं. I mean, जो switch off कर पाते हैं, that's amazing, that's great. But मेरी कोशिश यही रहती है कि अगर सीन को, I mean, I think even you know for a fact कभी कभार कि अगर आपने इंटरव्यू ठीक से नहीं लिया तो एक आइडिया आ जाता है कि हाँ मैंने कुछ तो मिस किया है. तो
Right, right.
सिमिलरली व्हेन आई एक्ट, आई नो कि मैंने कहीं तो कुछ मिस किया है. तो वो स्विच ऑन वाली बात तो अभी तक मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ यार, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट यू. बट हाँ, डिप्रेशन तो हो गया था. आई स्लिप्ड इनटू सम मेजर मेंटल इश्यूज, एंड in fact 2 months back also I was into that same zone, but thankfully I'm out of it right now and I'm working on it every day, so I'm taking it one day at a time.
Right, right. But Karan, tell me one thing. First of all, kudos to you for being vocal about, mental awareness and the rest of the things. But tell me one thing, when you decided to be more vocal and public about this thing, were there any, thing from your family and friends, ki, utna mat bolo kahin, आपको criticism, because there is always a criticism and judgment
It's okay.
surrounded. So
People
what
will judge you if you say something. People will judge you if you don't say something. This is what I think. So people are going to say anything whatsoever. They'll think whatever they want to, and that's their call. You can't stop that from happening. What my
Right.
idea is to be so expressive with regards to these things, because tomorrow if I've broken my neck, tomorrow if I've broken my hand, people will ask me, "Arey, how are you? I hope you're fine." लेकिन अगर मैं डिप्रेस को, अगर मेरे को मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज है, कोई पूछेगा नहीं, बिकॉज वो दिखता नहीं है, वो सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हो आप.
जी.
तो मैं जब तक मेरे अंदर जान है, मैं ये बात रोज लोगों को सिखा के रहूंगा, बता के रहूंगा कि बॉस इसको हल्के में मत लेना. डोंट नेग्लेक्ट मेंटल हेल्थ बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स यू फिजिकली एबल.
Okay.
एंड
But
इनफैक्ट आई हैव टॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट, मेरे फैमिली को भी मैंने बताया, इनफैक्ट सिखाया है, उनको बताया है कि बॉस ऐसा भी होता है लाइफ में. बिकॉज लोगों को क्या नॉर्मल सोचने का तरीका है कि सो जाओ, गो टू स्लीप, सो कल अच्छा महसूस करोगे, सो जाओ, नींद नहीं आई ना, सो जाओ. अरे ऐसा नहीं होता. देयर इज मच मोर टू दिस. गॉड फॉरबिड उनके परिवार में किसी को ऐसा हो, या कोई उनके घर पे बैठा है जो ये बोल नहीं पा रहा ठीक से, या कुछ महसूस कर रहा है जो वो कभी कभार एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहा, फिर उनको रियलाइज होगा. गॉड फॉरबिड ऐसा नहीं हो, बट लेकिन दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टूल ऑफ योर लाइफ. अगर ये सही है तो बाकी सब सही रहेगा, जहां तक मुझे लगता है.
right,
तो आई थिंक इट्स
right.
गुड टू
Okay.
बी एक्सप्रेसिव अबाउट इट. इट्स यू आर हेल्पिंग पीपल एंड यू आर क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट इट. इतने सारे लोग हैं बाहर जो शर्माते हैं, जो अपना वल्नरेबल साइड नहीं दिखाना चाहते क्योंकि वो डर लगता है उन्हें कि लोग उन्हें जज करेंगे. अरे मतलब तुम अगर नहीं बोलोगे, तुम कमरे में चुप बैठोगे, लोग फिर भी जज करेंगे ना. तो might as well come out in the open, seek help, and talk to me if you want, man. I mean, I understand this entire scenario because nothing bigger than feeling fine and feeling happy. That's what I think.
Right, right, right. So, Karan, on this note, we are taking the fans' question,
Alright,
which
alright.
they are sending in the live chat. Okay, so when we announced, we have also done a live chat with Srishti a few days ago, and we
Okay,
got a
wow.
lot of questions, yeah, from PM. So, like, people, I think they still, उनके दिमाग में आज भी आपके और सृष्टि की जो on-screen pairing है, अभी भी है. So, the major question, which people are asking, that how is your bond with Srishti right now? You people don't work together, but आज अब आपका bond कैसा है उनके साथ?
It's very chill, yeah. I think Srishti is, in fact, she was doing her first show with me on Suhani, and that's exactly when I remember telling her that, you're good. I mean, it doesn't feel like you're doing your first show.
Mm-hmm.
And I've always corrected her. She's always corrected me. And हमने एक दूसरे को एक वो मौका दिया है कि एक दूसरे को करेक्ट करने का. एक दूसरे को कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं हम दोनों. We are
Mm-hmm.
transparent. We are honest. And we are expressive. That's one good quality I share with her is that she allows me to be myself to her, and I allow her to be herself to me. तो
Right, right.
अगर वो इतनी ट्रांसपेरेंसी है तो फिर ऐसे रिश्ते को नाम देने से अच्छा है कि खाली बोलो कि बॉस दिस इज अ वेरी ब्लेस्ड रिलेशनशिप दैट आई हैव विद हर एंड इन
Right, right.
फैक्ट या
Yeah, okay. But when you first met, I'm sure पहली ही equation वैसा नहीं होगा. It took time and वो equation वैसा हुआ. So fans wanted to. What was your first initial, reaction or impression when you started working with her?
I think the first time I used to always keep teasing her, like always, because she used to keep blinking in scenes and all of that. So I used to keep teasing her and all of that. And gradually, when we started shooting as well, I told her, this is where you're supposed to let go of your emotions and don't hold back. Because मैं काफी ब्रूटल किस्म का एक्टर हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को एनीवेज हम दोनों के बीच में काफी टशन वाला सिचुएशन था सुहानी में तो मैं इसको बोलता था कि मैं तेरा हाथ जोड़ से पकड़ने वाला हूँ और मेरे को मैं ये नहीं सोचूंगा तुझे दर्द हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा लेकिन मैं पकड़ूंगा
हाँ.
और अगर तेरे को तकलीफ हो रही है इफ इट्स टू मच टेल मी बिकॉज आई वांट यू टू गेट दैट रिएक्शन एज वेल तो अगर ऐसी शुरुआत होती है तो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट एट द सेम टाइम सो शी अलाउड मी टू डू दैट यार ऐसे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स है बाहर जो ऐसा नहीं भी करना चाहेंगे क्योंकि
जी.
एक्टिंग है लेकिन अगर दो आर्टिस्ट साथ में मिलके कुछ ऐसा क्रिएट कर रहे हैं in fact, it was great that I believe that on Swani Sikh Ladki, after a particular point of time, me and Srishti were gaining a good amount of followers and fans as well, which was which was great. And for two of us who are parallel leads on a show, to get these kind of followers and people is, I think, a big thing.
Right, right, right. In fact, when I asked Srishti what's the best quality about Karan, so she said it's the best and worst is the same thing that he gets very involved while doing a particular scene. So the same question I wanted to ask, and the fans are asking that what's the best and not so best quality about Srishti you find?
I think I think the best quality about Srishti as an artist or just as a person.
As a person, as an artist, whatever you want to go ahead with.
As an artist, I think she herself is like me. She gives it all. I think action और cut के बीच में वो एक अलग ही जिंदगी जीती है, which is
जी.
great. I think that's phenomenal. And as a person, what I like about her is her honesty. And I think she's very honest about whatever she says and whatever she feels, which is a great quality to have because she doesn't put on a face, is what I think. One thing that I don't like about her is that sometimes I think she's getting too full of herself sometimes. I think she needs to understand that ये glamour world के अलावा एक normal साधारण जिंदगी भी है. Which is she doesn't हमें कभी कभार validation चाहिए. In fact ये सबके लिए we need validation for existence लोगों से कि बॉस मुझे इतने ये लोग ये मेरे बारे में क्या कहेगा वो मेरे बारे में क्या कहेगा तो जहां तक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा भी है ऐसा नहीं भी हो सकता है but this is what I think. And
Right.
because I know her really closely, and I only wish the best for her because she's really
Right.
close to me. I'm really close to her, so we've had that kind of a relationship, and she knows that I am always there for her, always, without
Right,
fail.
right. And there's not a lot of people has requested, that if Karan and Srishti come together with a live,
In fact,
you
you won't believe me. You won't believe me. I spoke to her the other day, and I just told her that in fact, she only messaged me. She's like, the fans are asking for a live, and I'm like, you know what? Let's do it. Why don't you come up with a few activities? Because मेरे को नहीं पता कि क्या activities कर सकते हैं यार.
yeah.
बातें करने को तो हम फोन पे भी बात करें, लेकिन अगर ऑडियंस को इंडल्ज करना है तो ऑडियंस के साथ क्या बात कर पाएंगे हम? तो वो भी जरूरी है ना. So we are planning something, and hopefully we'll come live really soon.
Right. Okay. Karan, of all the characters which you have played, which has been the toughest character for you?
the toughest character has been. I don't think I'll call it really tough, to be very honest to you,
Hmm.
but um, I think Suhani Sig Ladki was a tough character
Mm-hmm.
because that is the first time when I was introduced to big scenes. I'm talking about like pages and pages और बहुत
Mm-hmm.
बड़े बड़े शब्द का प्रयोग भी करना था हमें और तो that was a tough thing and of course also Sahil is going to
Mm-hmm.
be my all-time favorite from आपके आ जाने से all-time favorite
Mm-hmm.
because that was my first show as a lead. I don't
Mm-hmm.
usually use the word lead because I feel everyone in the show is as equal as a lead. But
Right.
जैसे हम सब बोलते हैं lead मतलब as a
Hmm.
protagonist
Hmm.
और वो यार कमाल का character था. I think I fell in love with doing what I was doing over there and I wish I could go back to that character someday in life. ऐसा कुछ character आए जहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ खुल जाऊँ मैदान में. And I think that was also
Mm-hmm.
because of my sir Shashank sir and Persis and the producers and the channel who let me do whatever I want to. So that was great.
Mm-hmm.
ऐसे
Right.
कुछ
Do you
tough हाँ sorry
hmm.
yeah please please.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. You can continue.
नहीं I mean tough easy तो उसी दिन पता चलता है सीन के दौरान कि कितना tough और कितना easy होता है. जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है
Mm-hmm.
तो some days are great some days are not. I think हमारा हम टीवी में यही करते हैं. Every day can't be perfect.
Mm-hmm.
हम कोशिश करते हैं कि every day seems
Right.
perfect लेकिन every day can't be perfect to be very honest with you because there are varied amount of scenes, varied amount of emotions that keep changing and I'm a very in-depth kind of a person. मैं घुस जाता हूँ
Hmm.
रोल में तो
Hmm.
it's a journey.
Right. 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 Okay. And do you remember any specific scene? I mean, I'm sure there would be a lot of scenes, but one scene which actually took a lot from you to make sure that the scene goes perfect and it's engaging enough.
There was this one song that we were performing in Aapke Aa Jaane Se called from Raja Hindustani, where I had to
Okay.
dance as a
Hmm.
drunkard in front of
Hmm.
Vedika ji because she's getting married to somebody else,
Hmm.
engaged to somebody else, and I think I gave it all over there. और बहुत एनर्जी के साथ मैंने वो डांस किया था. लेकिन एंड में
Hmm.
पता चला कि चैनल के पास वो गाने के राइट्स नहीं थे, तो वो वापस शूट करना पड़ा दूसरे
Okay.
गाने के साथ. तो लेकिन मैंने
Hmm.
दूसरा गाना भी वही इंटेंसिटी के साथ ही किया. और
Hmm.
मतलब पूरा दे दिया. ऐसे ऐसे बहुत सारे सीन्स हैं आपके यहाँ जाने से. मैं कुर्बान हुआ तो अभी शुरू हुआ है. सो
जी
इनफैक्ट
जी.
कुर्बान हुआ शुरू होते ही हमने ऐसे 3-4 सीन्स थे जहाँ पर मैंने इंटेंसिटी के साथ किया था. पूरा दे दिया था
Hmm.
और मैं थक गया था टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई वाज
जी.
टायर्ड आफ्टर द डेज
Hmm.
ऑफ वर्क क्योंकि जान दे दी थी मैंने वो रोने वाले सीन में या तो तोड़फोड़ वाले सीन में इंटेंस वाले सीन में मैं जान दे देता हूँ अपने. और
Hmm.
हाँ मतलब आई थिंक ऐसे बहुत सारे सीन्स थे और बहुत सारे सीन्स आएंगे.
G, G. Okay. When we had our session with Srishti, so she said that if in future, if you and she can do a film together, she would love to do a film like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani with you. Okay, so now I'm asking the same question. If God wills, there's a film, which you and Srishti can do together. What type of film or what type of pairing you think you both can nail it?
Did she take time before saying that, or she said it
No,
instantly?
in 1 or 2 seconds. You are taking a lot of time.
Yeah, in fact, that's a good movie to do. Yeah, Ye Jawani Diwani, and I would love to do a Rockstar sequel with her if possible.
Mm-hmm.
I think that'll be nice. She's got that innocence on her face, and I can be that typical angsty singer.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, I love doing lip syncing to songs as well, so I think I can pull it off. I don't know.
Right.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. I'm a Ranbir fan. Nothing compared to Ranbir. He's
Right.
God. He's God for me. But then again, Rockstar would be a nice one.
Mm-hmm. So Rockstar it is for you.
Rockstar would be nice. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. The next question is that they fans are asking that when can see you and Srishti together working again in a show. So you
Honestly, I
tell.
was really hoping that Srishti gets selected for Kurban Hua as well, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. Yeah, I think मैं सृष्टि को भी हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि हम दोनों के बीच एक इनकम्प्लीट एक
Mm-hmm.
अधूरा सा रिश्ता है जो शो के जरिए खत्म हो गया था.
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि शो भी अब्रप्टली सुहानी सिंह लड़की बंद हो गया था और हमारा जो कैरेक्टर है और हमारे जो कैरेक्टर्स थे वो भी खत्म हो गए थे. बट मेरे को ऐसा
Mm-hmm.
है एक दिल में एक वो है कि आगे चल के आई नीड टू वर्क विथ हर बिकॉज आई थिंक we deserve to work together, and the fans and the audience deserve to see us both create magic on screen again.
Right, right. Okay, cool. So Zoya has asked you this question. So there's the name of your co-stars which you have worked, and you have to reveal one quality which you like most about them. So the first is Pratibha Ratna. Yeah, Pratibha Rana.
Pratibha
Sorry,
Ranta,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry.
she is new, raw, energetic,
Hmm.
fresh, and has a lot of energy.
Right. Okay. Suhasi.
I think she's very charming. As Vedika ji, she was very elegant,
Hmm.
and I think she's an honest and a very straightforward, amazing woman.
Right, right. And Shrishti.
Srishti is a bubbly, glamorous, dazzling, uh, an outspoken girl who has a lot of ambition, and I think she's somebody who's going to make herself, me, and everyone proud. I think she has
Right.
already, but I think she hasn't reached her peak yet, and she'll get there soon.
Right, right, right. Okay, on the same note, a fan has given you this three option. It's again Srishti, Suhasi, and Pratibha. And the option is you have to date someone, marry someone, and kill someone. It's a very coffee with type of question.
Oh
So,
God.
pick your, yeah, date, marry, and kill.
Oh my God, man. Date, marry, and kill these. Arey yaar,
Uh,
understand Srishti is of a different age. Pratibha is of a
I,
different age. Suhasi is of a
hmm,
different age that way.
hmm,
But you guys have
hmm.
put me in a fix. Okay, as Sahil, I would end up marrying. I would end up marrying Vedika ji, Suhasi, because
Hmm,
हमने ऐसा शो में किया है. And now is
hmm,
date
hmm,
and kill. Date and kill.
hmm, hmm.
I'll have to date Srishti only because otherwise fans will kill me because me and Pratibha haven't yet gained a lot
Yeah,
of fans. So Pratibha,
right.
मैं तुझे मार रहा हूँ. Sorry,
Hmm,
शादी नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि तू बहुत छोटी है मेरे से. और
hmm, hmm.
yeah, but yeah, okay. It's very weird.
Okay. Okay, so who's your favorite, co-star? That's what the fan has asked. From all the co-stars which you had, who's your favorite co-star?
Um, I've just started working with Pratibha, so I haven't explored much. But I think
Hmm.
Srishti and Suhasi, I'll take two names, have been great characters to work with as
Hmm.
Vedika ji and Krishna because they've allowed me to just express myself and be myself, and I think that's so. I'm taking two names because they are too close shows to me. So I think the both of them
Right,
I would
right.
suggest.
Okay. Okay, someone had asked that what is more difficult for you? Intense scenes are difficult for you, or scenes where you have to do comedy.
I've done both, to be very honest. On Aap Kya Jaane Se also, I did comedy scenes and I did intense scenes and all. So it's not very difficult. What's difficult is to get into that mood.
Mm-hmm.
अगर मैं रात में ठीक से नहीं सोया हूँ और अगले दिन मुझे कॉमेडी सीन करना है तो मुश्किल से कर पाऊंगा क्योंकि आई बी लाइक
जी,
यार सुबह सुबह हंसना है यार प्लीज कुछ
हम्म,
इंटेंस दे दो ताकि मैं ऐसे खड़े रह के डायलॉग बोल दूं
जी,
लेकिन अगर शाम रात की बात आती है 7:30 8 9 o'clock के जरिए
हम्म,
अगर शूट लेट है अगर 2 बजे की शूट है 2 बजे तक करेंगे तो मेरे को पता है कि शाम में 8 9 बजे तक मेरा वो एक मूड आ
हम्म,
जाएगा कॉमेडी करने का आई गेट अ
हम्म,
लिटिल एक्टिव आई हैव अ वेरी
right,
वियर्ड क्लॉक of
हम्म,
energy that I have. So
right.
I think I won't say any of these are very difficult to do. I mean, but it's just the mood that has to be right. So I think it all depends on the mood.
Right. Okay, and everybody is asking about, I think, a web series which you are doing. So, if you can say
Yes,
anything about,
yes.
it's on page, या फिर कुछ भी.
So Ekta Ma'am's new web series is coming on Alt and Z5. It's called Bebaki.
Mm-hmm.
Kushal Tandon is the lead on that show. I'm also one of the protagonists on that show. Jyoti is the new girl who's been introduced on that show, and it's a triangle-ish kind of a love story, and at the same time, it's about the modern drama. Two Muslim
Mm-hmm.
families over here, and it's basically it's all about entangled relationships and how every character, in fact, is very important in the entire web series. It's a 40-episode web series that's being made, or maybe 30. I'm not quite sure about that, but then again, I think. We finished half of it, so half आधी की shooting बाकी है. It was supposed to start. It was supposed to release in March, in fact, लेकिन coronavirus हो गया तो उसके बाद delay हो गया. So it's basically modern family drama in a way, with a twist and with good flavors of characters. And very grateful that Ekta ma'am gave me an opportunity. I gave the auditions and the mock shoot, and so I'm doing a show on Z, and I'm side by side doing a web series on Alt and Z5, which is, I think, a great time for me because I'm doing two shows, and let's hope it goes well.
Right. On the same note, I wanted to ask because I think you were shooting for this web series when you were doing Kurban also, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes, yes.
And you actually also posted something that how you are managing these two characters, and that's what fans are asking, that how are you managing playing two characters totally different at the same time.
I know, so I'm not used to that, to be very honest here, you know. So it's something really new for me and all. इसकी आदत नहीं है मुझे, और इसकी आदत डालने की कोशिश मैं कर रहा हूँ. You know, तो मेरे लिए भी ये सब नया नया है. तो वो बहुत ही लाइट हार्टेड सा कैरेक्टर है इम्तियाज, और ये बहुत ही इंटेंस सा कैरेक्टर है. तो वो स्विच, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी बताया थोड़ा टाइम पहले, वो स्विच मैं आसानी से अभी सीख नहीं पाया हूँ, लेकिन मैं सीखने की कोशिश करूंगा. आई एम ऑल्सो एन आर्टिस्ट, आई एम ऑल्सो लर्निंग एवरी डे. We have Mr. Amitabh Bachchan who says that he's still learning every day, so we are nothing compared to that. But हम भी सीख रहे हैं. So I think that switch is very important to come from here to there. So I think with the due course of time, with both shootings happening simultaneously, I'll learn how to do that as well, and maybe it'll go well for both. वो खाली switch important चीज है बस.
G. Okay, Samana, how to be always, I think you would be the correct person to answer this. How it is possible to always, be positive and stay happy?
Happy, I don't know, because I'm not a very happy person in life generally. I don't know, that's something that I've stopped chasing also. I prefer my privacy, my isolation. And in fact, मैंने एक घर रेंट पे, ये जहाँ मैं रह रहा हूँ, ये घर रेंट पे, और इसके बाजू वाले घर पे मेरे पेरेंट्स रहते हैं. तो आप सोच सकते हो कि मैं दूर भी नहीं जाना चाहता, लेकिन मुझे मेरी प्राइवेसी चाहिए भी, तो मैंने बाजू में ही घर ले लिया टाइप्स. तो वो सब है. I think the only way you can stay positive is by just looking forward to something. You should always have something to look forward to. It could be anything. It could be absolutely anything. It could be a conversation with your parents. It could be a conversation with your friends. It could be a walk with the dogs downstairs. It could be work. It could be anything. So always have something to look forward to be very honest here. You know, I think that is the only thing that will keep you going. हमारी इंडस्ट्री ऐसे कि कभी कभार लोगों को काम नहीं मिलता आसानी से. लोग सालों तक वेट करते हैं कि कभी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, और उसी दौरान में मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि कीप द एफर्ट गोइंग, डोंट गिव अप. Someday your hard work will pay off.
Right. But Karan, does this thing that, does this quote that you always have to remain positive and happy, does it pisses you off? Because technically it's not possible to always be happy and be positive. And when there's always pressure and people saying, just be positive, be happy all the time. What is your take on such things?
There is no pressure on me. I am, if there was pressure on me, I wouldn't be this vocal about my mental health and all of that. If I'm not feeling good on a particular day, I'm not feeling good on a particular day. If I'm feeling great on a particular day, I'm feeling great on a particular day. It is what it is. I am trying to feel positive. आपके बोलने से मैं positive नहीं बनूंगा. पूरी दुनिया, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ ना कि everyone can guide you till the finish line, but you're the one who's supposed to cross it. You know, so बहुत important चीज है कि ये समझना कि दुनिया के कहने से आप पॉजिटिव नहीं टर्न होंगे. आपको खुद अपने आप को बोलना पड़ेगा कि मुझे ये करना है, और वो तभी हो पाएगा जब आपको अपना स्पेस भी मिले.
Right.
It's great that the world cares. दुनिया सोचती है, that is amazing. Selfless love है वो. लेकिन कभी कभार अपने आप के लिए सेल्फिश होना पड़ता है. अपने आप को साइड पे कॉर्नर पे ले जाना पड़ता है. अपने आप से सवाल पूछना पड़ता है. अपने को ये कहना पड़ता है कि बॉस, try harder. Don't give up. I mean, मेरा मंत्र सिर्फ ये है कि not to give up. Some days are crazy bad, some days are messed up, and some days are amazing. So I just take it one day at a time, whatever comes my way and whatever I feel on that particular day. अगर मुझे खुशी मिल रही है दिन में तो मैं लिखता हूँ, अगर दुखी हूँ तो भी लिखता हूँ. तो मेरा थेरेपी है लिखना, तो मेरे लिए वो थेरेप्यूटिक है, तो मैं लिखते रहता हूँ. But I think just take it one day at a time, और ज्यादा मत सोचो फ्यूचर के बारे में यार.
Right. Okay. People are also asking when can you see again with Neeti, and how's your bonding right now?
Neeti is a doll. She's one of these special women in my life who I came across in the area, and in fact before that also.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know. I mean, right now I don't see any work possibility happening between me and Neeti क्योंकि
Hmm.
ऐसा कोई शो तो है नहीं.
Mm-hmm.
ऑलरेडी ऑन अ शो और आजकल शोज चलते हैं 1 2 साल 3 साल तो पता नहीं.
Hmm.
बट अगर ऐसा कुछ म्यूजिक वीडियो आ गया ऐसा कुछ कोलैबोरेशन करने का मौका मिला तो व्हाई नॉट.
Right, right, right. And
इनफैक्ट
people are, yeah, yeah, yeah. Please continue.
no, and we also me and we guys talk about meeting up. In fact, recently only Krisan and all these guys and all of us did like a small Kaisi hai
Hmm.
Yaya kind of a video where all of us
Hmm.
were just humming and dancing to this to the theme song. आपने देखा होगा
Hmm.
सोशल मीडिया पे वो था. So it's
Ji.
great. I think it's great. Neeti is a special girl and she'll always remain special. And
Right,
I wish her the best and I hope she comes back and she gets back to work ASAP.
right. And people are also asking you to come live with Parth. What you want to say about that?
Parth and me have lost contact, yeah, to be very honest with you. He's got really busy in his life. I've got really busy in my life. And but
Mm-hmm.
at the end of the day, he knows and I know for a fact that we both are there for each other
Hmm.
when we need each other.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
so that's that. And once in a while, we catch up over a call. And if I'm shooting on the Balaji set, I met him once the other day, and we just caught up for like a little
Hmm.
while. And I mean, I think that's what the busy life does. It doesn't give you time as such.
Right.
But
Hmm.
let's see. Hopefully, we'll catch up and we'll give the fans a selfie again.
Right. Okay. I don't know why this question is again and again, but they are saying you have to reveal one prank which you have performed on Srishti. I think you have performed many
Prank.
pranks. Yeah, prank.
What prank did I don't remember what prank did I perform in Srishti. I
But
mean,
have you performed?
I think every day was a prank. Yeah? I think every day was more of having being a prankster on set and
Mm-hmm.
just like I used to keep pulling her cheeks very unknowingly and all because she's got heavy cheeks and we haven't quite pulled pranks. I mean, she has sometimes, but I haven't quite
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि मैं हमेशा वो कैरेक्टर में घुसा रहता था.
Mm-hmm.
संयम जितना
Mm-hmm.
कैरेक्टर का नाम संयम था उतना ही ऑपोजिट था मैं कैरेक्टर को लेके.
जी.
तो
Mm-hmm.
ज्यादा मौका नहीं मिला प्रैंक्स करने का बट yeah I think I miss that set. I miss that show. I miss that pair of Krishna and Sayyam and yeah, let's see hopefully आगे चल के ऐसा कुछ मौका मिले वापस.
Right. Okay. We're taking a few questions. What is the best Kriam scene according to you? One scene which you really like, the Kriam scene.
uh there's this one scene with the dog where I let the dog go behind her and she climbs on a stool. And she's like,
Mm-hmm.
bachao, 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 bachao. And she's really scared of the dog on the show. That is one. And the second one is when
Mm-hmm.
there's a fight that is happening on the road where these guys have put red chili in my eyes and I have to find her. और उसने उस समय
Mm-hmm.
एंकलेट्स पहने हैं जो आवाज करते हैं तो मैं उसकी आवाज करते करते मैं झगड़ता हूँ और उसे बचा लेता हूँ. And
Mm-hmm.
that moment where the both of us are just like helpless but we are there for each other. और एक ऐसा
Mm-hmm.
मोमेंट था जहाँ where she unknowingly she just tells me that she loves me. वो जब मैं उसको
Mm-hmm.
बोलता हूँ कि मैं छोड़ के जाने वाला हूँ and all. And then the
Mm-hmm.
confession of we loving each other.
Mm-hmm.
That was a great scene. I still remember
Right.
that. That was a great scene that we shot. And I
Mm-hmm.
think the both of us just lost. We got lost in the moment and we just hugged each other. And it was nice. It was a nice scene.
Right. Okay, someone has asked, will you take a Big Boss if offered to you sooner or later, whenever it is offered to you?
I think it's a great platform, but then again, I don't think I will. I
Hmm.
don't. I
Okay.
don't believe I'm still up for the reality showbiz because I think you need a lot of character to be on Big Boss. Looking at, in fact, this season I heard was one of the best, and there were so many fights and all of that. मेरे से नहीं होते झगड़े वगड़े यार. I'm not that kind of a person and all. I'm a very private person और वहाँ तो वहाँ तो private रहने का मौका मिलेगा नहीं. Big Boss बोलेगा घर के बाहर निकल जाओ boss.
Right, right. Okay. Someone has asked, which is your favorite character of your mom, of all the characters which you have portrayed? What is your
Sahil,
mom's favorite
Sahil,
character?
Sahil. Sahil, without doubt, without doubt. I think Sahil was
Right.
the
Mm-hmm.
Jaan and the soul of Aap Kya Jaane Se, and I in fact loved playing that character, and everyone in my family also did. Qurban Hua, we haven't really got an opportunity to see anything yet, क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ
Mm-hmm.
19 episode shoot
Mm-hmm.
किए हैं. So yeah, like a full-fledged show अगर किया है तो अभी तक आप क्या जाने से किया है. आगे चल
जी
के
जी.
fingers crossed और मिलेंगे, and yeah, but Sahil.
Yeah, yeah, okay. And the question is that what kind of character you want to explore or portray whenever the opportunity is there.
I want to play a rapper sometime, and I wish there's a sequel for Gully Boy, or 2, 3, 4, 5 sequels, जितने भी नगर निकलते हैं वहाँ खेलने का एक मौका मिले.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I would like to get into the sci-fi zone as well, a little the supernatural zone. I would like to get there, and I would like to keep to the intense roles as well because I think that comes to me very naturally also.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
that is something I like doing, and I want to continue doing what I'm doing here. Because honestly speaking, मैंने life में किसी भी चीज़ की training नहीं ली है, acting की नहीं ली
Mm-hmm.
है, मेरी previous jobs की नहीं ली है, और
Mm-hmm.
मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि मैं इसके बाद acting continue करूँगा कि नहीं.
Okay.
मेरा कुछ
Okay.
ठिकाना नहीं है life में. I take it one day at a time. And like I said, the
Mm-hmm.
only thing that I'm certain about in life is uncertainty. ये मुझे जानने में बहुत satisfaction मिलता है कि मुझे नहीं पता कि कल क्या होने वाला है.
Yeah,
What
people
is
get fear, but uncertainty also gives you fear, if I'm not wrong. I mean,
It
it
is
gives
the
me fear.
most beautiful feeling in the world when you don't know what is going to happen and what is in store. It is
Mm-hmm.
scary, it is beautiful, it is frightening, it is courageous, it's everything.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I don't, this fame, the name, all this is really temporary.
That is, yeah, sure.
It's all temporary, and one day it's all going to end. So then why
Right.
chase it? So मेरे को इन सब चीजों से लगाव नहीं है. I just want to give my
Mm-hmm.
parents happy. I just want to give them whatever materialistic joy, intangible joy that I can give, and at the same time just live my life. I'm more of a person who's around nature. Yeah, I mean, I do the road trips. I prefer that.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, in life also, if you ask me what all I want, I just want a small room with some lights, with a mat
Mm-hmm.
and a small bed, and a TV screen and a PlayStation and just like a small room, and that's it. I'm happy with that. मेरे को ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए, बड़े घर नहीं चाहिए, बड़े बड़े फ्लोर पे घर नहीं चाहिए, बंगले नहीं
Mm-hmm.
चाहिए, बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां नहीं चाहिए. गाड़ियां लूंगा तो मम्मी पापा के लिए लूंगा. बस मेरे को रास्ते, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, ये सब चीजों से बहुत प्यार है यार. मेरे को नहीं, उन सब चीजों से लगाव नहीं है.
Okay. You just mentioned at the start of the video that you are not a conventional looking actor, but a lot of people are just asking you what is the reason of your hotness, of your glowing skin, of your shiny hair. So, what is the reason behind it?
I think my hair is natural. I think that's genetics only. My hair is good because it's genetics, and I think so. I'm not a white, fair-looking actor. I'm a brown guy. Okay, so बचपन में बहुत धूप में खेल चुका हूँ मैं. बहुत बहुत धूप में खेल चुका हूँ, तो काला इसलिए हो गया हूँ. But I think you just work out, sweat it out, and at the same
Mm-hmm.
time avoid getting into a lot of alcohol. I don't drink, so I don't drink alcohol. I drink once in a blue moon types. In fact, I haven't. I was smoking a while back, but I quit cigarettes as well. I won't say I quit, but then again, I haven't smoked in 2 months now. So I think it's just sweating it out and not doing all those things that are hazardous for your face and your body. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
ग्लोइंग वोइंग
Okay.
नहीं है. मैं कभी कभार नेचुरल लाइट के सामने फोटो ले लेता हूँ. हम सब करते हैं वैसा, तो that's the reality.
Okay. Okay. We'll take this last week question. Okay. Sana has asked, when are you going to get married?
Oh, marriage is yeah, my mom wants me to settle down and all, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. But I need to be sure about myself first, and then be sure about someone else. I'm not sure about myself at all, so I don't know when. मेरे को ये नहीं पता कि कब मैं किसी और के बारे में श्योर हो पाऊंगा, but not for the next 3-4 years at least.
But okay, the one quality, but you're looking, whenever you wish to settle down, the one quality you're looking in your girl,
I think honesty.
honesty.
Yeah, I haven't been the best boyfriend, I won't lie. So I've learned a lot in my previous relationships. So I think what one thing that something has taught me, and a few relationships have taught me, is to be honest. So I think that's something that I'm looking for, because I am
Hmm.
that person now.
Right. Okay. And fans have been complaining that you don't reply to their DMs, you don't check out their DMs and reply to their messages. So they are just asking if they can have a fan meetup, a place where you can meet all your fans. So if something of like that, is it possible?
But the only thing is, a lot of fans are not precisely in Bombay, right?
Right.
And
Hmm.
whoever is in Bombay, like I know a lot of them are from different countries also, so they can't possibly do
Hmm.
that. So the only time I can
Hmm.
have a conversation with them is on social media,
Hmm.
on all of that. But I'll make it a point. I'll try to reply you guys in DMs and all. क्योंकि होता ये कि then my entire day goes in replying to everything, and then if you don't reply at a particular time, then somebody feels bad. So that
Hmm. Hmm.
way थोड़ा बायस, जैसे मेरे काफी दोस्त भी चाहते हैं कि मैं उनको शेयर, उनकी चीजें शेयर करूं, और मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं वैसे, लेकिन अगर मैंने
Hmm.
2-3 का कर दिया, फिर मुझे 100-200 का करना पड़ेगा। फिर मेरा पेज
Hmm.
तो एक मार्केटिंग पेज बन जाएगा कि मैं लोगों के
Right.
बारे में, उनके बिजनेस के बारे में शेयर कर रहा हूँ।
Right. Right. Okay. Anything you want to say about Korean fans?
I think they're amazing till date. The fact that they keep messaging, they keep making edits, they keep making these amazing pictures and collages. I think you guys are just phenomenal and amazing human beings. मैं बड़ा कलाकार नहीं हूँ यार, मैं एक छोटा सा कलाकार हूँ, और मुझे सक्सेस और फेम से ज्यादा लगाव नहीं है। लेकिन आप, अगर आप सबको हमारे छोटे से स्टिंट में मेरे काम को लेके, सृष्टि के काम को लेके इतना लगाव हो चुका है हमारे काम से, और अभी इतने सालों बाद भी हमें याद करते हैं, तो आई थिंक दैट्स सर आंखों पे यार, आई मीन दैट्स वेरी स्वीट, दैट्स वेरी गॉड ब्लेस टू यू गाइस, एंड just stay amazing, because you make our lives worth living with your love. I think blessings are the most important thing. अगर आप लोग हमें bless करते हैं तो हम शायद से अच्छा फील कर पाते हैं, तो give it back to you guys. Thank
Right,
you.
right. Okay, and someone had asked that what has been the, I mean, if you can recall, last time आप सबसे ज़्यादा खुश कब थे? What has been that moment when you were very happy and at peace with yourself? The recent moment of yours.
Oh, it's been a while. That's, I think, that's the toughest question you've asked me till date.
Okay.
I think, okay, I would say I was at a lot of peace when I was in the mountains, when I went traveling.
Mm-hmm.
Right up in the, when I, आपके अचानक से had finished, so I went right up there, and
Mm-hmm.
I went to the mountains. I was just sitting there, and I was on the top of the hill over there in Old Manali, by this cafe called Rockies. And I was just sitting there, and I was just looking out, and I did a solo trip basically over there.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just sitting there, and I was just looking at nature, and I was feeling so grateful, so blessed, so humble, so small, looking at everything, that I actually started crying. And I was just like, damn, I think the biggest gift that somebody can have is to feel deeply. अगर आप चीजों को एक 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 अलग तरीके से महसूस कर सकते हो, गहराई से, तो आई थिंक ये गिफ्ट है आपके अंदर, जो बहुत लोगों में नहीं होती, इसलिए
Mm-hmm.
शायद से हमें कलाकार कहते हैं। But
Mm-hmm.
so that was one of the moment when I just froze, and I was just like, time just stopped.
Right, right.
Like right now I could just go back to that, but हिमाचल प्रदेश में एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी हमें।
Right, right. Okay, Karan. So we'll just take the last question.
So
So the last question, obviously, it has to be again. Kriyam is like, what has been the fondest memory of you shooting with Srishti? I think you people went to Goa for a particular scene or shot. So what has been the fondest memory from that your Goa trip?
the Goa trip was just a start off to that, and in fact, I remember this one time where we had a break. So my friend Leroy he's in Goa. He's one of my best friends, and
Right.
we all had gone out for a while, and it was just like a great moment where all of us just like unwinded, got to know each other, and just like celebrated that moment. के boss, यार हमारे हाथ में नहीं होता कि हम यार, इतने सारे एक्टर्स, इतने सारे लोग हैं, कोई भी सिलेक्ट हो सकता है। कहीं ना कहीं
Hmm.
ये नसीब भी है ना, नसीब का भी तो खेल है कि अगर वो किसी को साथ में लेके आए लोगों को। तो आई थिंक दैट वाज अ
Hmm.
ग्रेट मोमेंट, एंड we shared a lot of stories, a lot of memories about our lives and stuff like that. And kabhi kabar you don't need, so this is what I personally think. It's about the quality of time you spend with people. not the quantity of time.
Hmm.
So in that little time, we had like a lot of quality moments, and I think it was great. It was just like a great, great moment.
Hmm. And lastly, fans are saying if you can say something in Sindhi, because I think you are Sindhi, so I think that
I
they.
am Sindhi, but then again, my mom is Punjabi, my dad is Sindhi, so the both of them never really spoke in Sindhi or Punjabi because उन दोनों को एक दूसरे
Hmm.
की भाषा समझ में नहीं आती थी. तो उन्होंने सिर्फ
Hmm.
इंग्लिश और हिंदी का प्रयोग किया घर पे. तो I think
जी.
Sindhi में लेकिन there's something called as mani khape, which is something which means do you want food, and there is
Hmm.
something where somebody says केड़ो हाला, that is how
Hmm.
are you. So
Right.
yeah, बस मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही आता है.
Okay, Karan. So thank you so much for the. I think I have asked you most of the questions
Yep, yep.
which fans asked. Lastly, because I've always, also I mentioned in the message that I'm really happy for whatever you're doing when it comes to mental health, and because a lot of people are dealing, with this thing. Any piece of advice or anything which you want them to say to not give up and to just keep going, which has actually helped you also. So, if anything you can
To
say.
be very honest with you, what has helped me and is still helping me is being aware of whatever is happening to you.
Hmm.
You should know what is happening. You should understand your triggers, and
Hmm.
you should not impulsively do something about it. Like wait it out, let it pass. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम सैड फील कर रहे होते हैं लेकिन हमें नहीं पता कि हम सैड क्यों फील कर रहे हैं.
जी.
ठीक है,
Hmm.
कोई बात नहीं. कभी कभार ये जानने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आप क्यों सैड फील कर रहे हो या क्यों नहीं फील कर रहे हो. Let it happen to you because it will automatically subside. But if it's
Hmm.
happening too often, then I would
Hmm.
recommend you to go and seek help. Like I have a psychiatrist, I go to a doctor. इसमें शर्म वाली बात नहीं है कि मेरे पास
Hmm.
डॉक्टर है तो मैं जाता हूँ डॉक्टर के पास और मदद लेता हूँ, दवाइयाँ लेता हूँ और साइड बाय साइड ये उम्मीद करता हूँ कि किसी दिन मैं दवाइयाँ छोड़ के आई कैन कम बैक टू द नॉर्मल लाइफ बिकॉज आई गॉट स्लीपिंग इश्यूज लाइक आई डोंट लाई आई कांट स्लीप वेल. इंसोम्निया है मुझे तो नींद की दवाइयाँ मेरी चालू हैं टू बी प्रिसाइज बट इफ यू डोंट वांट टू टेक लाइक यू कैन देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट पीपल सजेस्ट योगा
Hmm.
meditation and all of that. I mean, it also depends on how you are as a person.
Hmm.
Like, I'm a very expressive, loud, impulsive guy. तो मेरे को थोड़ा शांत करने की जरूरत है अपने आप को.
जी.
But one important thing I'll tell you is be patient with yourself.
Hmm.
Be patient. Do not be impulsive. Be honest about it. Tell people that this is what is happening to me. 100 में
Hmm.
से 15-20 लोग समझेंगे तुम्हारी बात.
जी.
जो 80 नहीं समझेंगे उन्होंने कभी ये महसूस नहीं किया होगा. एंड आई होप कभी
Hmm.
महसूस नहीं करे.
Hmm.
लेकिन everyone's different and but just try to be as positive as you can and always have something to look forward to and surround
Hmm.
yourself with nature if you can. I think that's the best.
Right. Okay. So, Karan, thank you so much for the live chat. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
And yeah, people are saying Jate Jate. I don't know. This is your fans' request. Don't mind if you can sing the song for your
Oh
fans.
God, please. Yeah, I'm bad at this. Okay, cool.
I don't know. If you can sing. Yeah.
तू
Say just any day.
सफर मेरा है, तू ही मेरी मंजिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा ऐ दिल है मुश्किल. Okay, cool. That's it. I'm bad at
Thank you
it,
so much.
man.
You were great. Thank you so much, Karan, for this. It
Thank you
was
so much
lovely.
for the call,
Thank
and
you.
I will see you guys soon. And I hope you're safe with your family, and please take care of yourself. Thank you so much,
Thank
Kennedy.
you
Means
so
a
much.
lot.
Bye.
Means
Take
a
care.
lot. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you.